Hi guys, Gonzales here, and today I'll be showing you how to protect your underbody and wheel wells from the elements and rust by using Rust-Oleum Rubberized Undercoating Spray. Rust-Oleum is the #1 selling brand in undercoating due to its trustable, durable, and flexible formula. This video will show you how easy it is to protect your vehicle from the rust and the elements in a few simple steps. Let's do this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we jack up the vehicle and remove the tires. This is going to help us get into any hard to reach areas on the chassis or the wheel well. We need to make sure that the surface is clean and dry so that we can actually apply the coating on properly and mask up all surrounding areas that we do not want this coating on. For best results, you want to make sure you work in a back and forth motion, always keeping a slight overlap on each pass and keeping the same distance from the surface. Always make sure you work at different angles for maximum coverage. And that's it. After a quick spray, you too can have your wheel wells and undercarriage protected from the rust and elements, and you're ready to hit the road. For more information, visit Rust-Oleum.com. Till next time.